Hey guys, I'm Jaden Dupree, and today I'm going to show you some more drills that will really help improve your game. Some spots, I'm going to go through spots that I'm weak in, spots that I know I'm weak in, show you the drills that I'm going to do to improve myself, and then maybe you will try those drills and try to improve your game as well. So a lot of people, I saw a comment on the last video of my drills, and it said this just seems kind of show-offy. You're not helping. Well, the point of this video is not to show you how to do the drill. That is for you to figure out. You're going to have the best way to learn is to just figure it out yourself. So I'm not going to explain literally everything about the drill. I'm just going to show you the drill, tell you what's good about it, and then it's on you to go and put that and work that into your practice routine, if you have one. It's on you to make a practice routine. So this first thing I'm going to do, it's not really showing a drill, but I'm just telling you this nice little product to use. This is not a sponsored video, but I do have the link to these down in the description of that video, so if you click the little drop down arrow, link to these on Amazon should be there. But these are pocket reducers, and they do exactly what they are called. They reduce the size of the pocket. So it makes it way harder to make shots. So you see we have to hit things at low speed, and then that equals bad control. But whatever drills you're running through, run them with these in. As long as those drills don't include any shots that are frozen onto the rail, because those are pretty much impossible with these in. You have to be 100% exact. You can't hit it with any speed whatsoever. So don't shoot those with these in unless you just want to torture yourself. I mean, you see it's possible, but if we hit that literally a fraction harder, it would not go. See, it's impossible to hit those with speed. And on no pool table will you not have this little angle to help you out. Yeah, the pockets may be smaller, but that shot, I think you're all pretty good with it. So let's just run through a quick drill. Best things to do with these is just to lay out balls and just shoot them. That's the best thing to do. Obviously, plan position. Plan what shot you want to shoot next and play position for that. No, you don't have to shoot them in numerical order yet, but plan out beforehand. And then if you have any problem shots, like if I were to miss that shot like 4 times in a row, that'd be a problem shot. 3 times in a row is what I classify as a problem shot. This is not a problem shot for me. I was just cueing above this thing right here. You might have to remove them if you're going to cue above them, but just throw some balls out and shoot them with this. It's going to make it a lot harder. See, if you just get down and fire it in like I did there, you're probably going to miss. But if you just zone in, take your time, they should be right in the back of the pocket. And as soon as you take these out and start shooting normally again, you're going to see dramatic improvements. So my favorite thing to do on these, and you know I preach this a lot, I preach a lot of practice, but this is my favorite drill all time. Just 3-ball patterns. Most basic thing you can do. But since pool is broken down into little groups of 3 when you're playing, you're always thinking 3 balls ahead. In pool, if you can run 3-ball patterns perfectly every single time, you should be able to run racks, because a rack of 9 balls is just 3-ball patterns. So if you can run those patterns, then you'll be just fine. So we're simplifying the table. Like, this is what we're looking at when we're playing pool. Except there's just a lot more balls on the table, and it just looks complicated. But if you just keep it in the 3-ball patterns, and every time, if you notice yourself missing a shot, like over and over again, if I miss that over and over again, or if I scratched on that position over and over again, then remove all the balls on the table, or get out more balls, but we're just focusing on this shot now. Until we make it enough times to where we think we're comfortable with it. So if we made that a couple more times in a row, not just make it, but in a row, then I think we'll be good. So just using those pocket reducers, throwing them out there, shooting around with them. Okay, so next drill I'm going to show you guys is the little line drill. So you're going to shoot these all in the side pocket. Cue ball cannot touch a rail. Cue ball can also not touch another ball other than the one you're shooting. So remember, I'm showing you drills based on my weaknesses. So my small draw stroke is not perfect yet. I always underhit it or overhit it, and I know it's not the best choice of shot like ever to shoot this. But sometimes it comes up, so I have to be good at it because it's a shot that exists, so I have to be good at it. But remember, this is my weakness. This might not be your weakness. If you're good at these little draw strokes, the short ones, you can see exactly where your ball's going, then you may not have to do this drill. But see, I end up with stuff like this, and I have to try to spin the ball and end up miscuing. So that's why I work on drills like this, to improve myself. So this little line drill, if you're already good at these shots, this is going to be a lot easier for you. But again, cue ball cannot touch a rail. All in the same pocket with the pocket reducers in. So this is a tough one for me, and that's why I'm going to continue to work on it. But again, line drill, front of the side pocket, cue ball can't touch a rail, pocket reducers. Hard for me, may not be hard for you. I'm not good at these shots. You may be great at them. Do drills that are based towards your weaknesses, not mine. Okay, so this drill is pretty simple. We're going to take a couple balls out. This one's working on our stroke, our dead end shot. So we're going to start off pretty close, like so, and we're just going to shoot that shot fast, and we're going to shoot that shot not so fast. And then we're going to keep that ball in the same place, move our cue ball back. Do the same thing, shoot it fast, and then shoot it not so fast. Then we're going to move our cue ball here. This is where I start to struggle. You may start to struggle earlier, and that's where you need to focus in there. But I start to struggle when my cue ball's in the jaw of the pocket. I'm fine everywhere else. Just when my cue ball's here, I'm not so fine. Not as fine. Still make it a good bit. But I always miss it towards the right. So this shot is one that I need to work on. Again, this video is based around my weaknesses. I'm going to look like an awful player in this video just because it's based on what I'm not so good at. But your practice session needs to be based on what you're not so good at. So that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you guys for 85,000 subscribers. We are almost at 100,000. So make sure you share the channel with your friends. Tell all your friends to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, pocket reducer link is down in the description if you like these. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.